I think uyamazi uGotsomlife professor.
Okay.
Yeah, siyamkolota and even because lama trophies abanika wona ilama trophies wasebenzisa masiye emagroundini for ama man of the match, but due to ukuthini siyele sapayiziseka one besingana sponsorship
Yeah.
masi bake bakudampa nje yami bakudampe kusasa maybe ngiplan ukuthi ngiya ku vacation ngashawa nayi lento yamathurali ubengazi ukuthi ihamba kanjani yabona so
7 we dey move every step my feet they touch the ground, I feel 730 kilometers. No be small thing, but we they go from village to village, door to door. Waiting we carry a message.
Sanibonani ekhaya. Igama lami MK and welcome to Leadership Insight. This is the first episode of season 2. Remember, I theme yethu on this season it's accountability. So with yonke into sizabe siyidiscussa senzani izawube ishieldwe yiyo le theme le accountability and ngihleli ne-fruitman guy Mr. Parker baba itulutulu umnandi time.
ngigrand bhuti wami wena unjani?
Yeah, ndimnandi time. For people abaqala ukuyiva iGassie Ballon d'Or, ngicela usixelele kunye neorganization nje as a whole, ngicela usixelele ukuba ngabani ngobani and what is the heart of imission yenu.
Okay, ngizoqala nami ngibulise wonke umuntu semakhaya yabo. Ngizoyichaza kanje, it's African Gassie Ballon d'Or. Okay, i-African Gassie Ballon d'Or is i-organization where esiqale 2020 into yakhona siplane 2020 uyazi indlela ayikho indlela straight yonke indlela inama curve.
Yeah.
So along the way masiqala bekuba khona izinto ezilokhu zisivimba until 2022 sayilaunch. Masilauncha iGassie Ballon d'Or silauncha I think base by 3 angeke ngikhuluma amagama abantu yabo but bekuyimi kuba ubhuti wami ubhuti Khulekani nelinye igama angeke ngilikhulume yabo.
Okay,
Angifuni kube ngathi yeah yabo.
Sure.
So sayiqala njengoba ngishilo ukuthi bekungekho nzima bekungekho lula yabo.
Sure.
The reason size siqale iGassie Ballon d'Or ukubona abajita emakasi mawuthi yacheckela abajita emakasi especially engikhule edlala nabo ibhola thola ukuthi ujita uNtswembu ebholeni ekhasi uyashisa we understand.
Sure.
But akayitholi opportunity ukuthi azafike ku professional football where sithi iPSL NFD yabona.
Sure.
So that's when abajita bethu ababhaya emakasi bagcina bangena kuphi kuma drugs yabo, bangena kwi crime, bangena ebugebengu. It's because abajita bazama ini ukufaka something endlini yabona. Enye into abajita bane depression yokuthini benginswembu but angiyanga ndawo yabona ngiphelele kuphi ekhasi. So ukuvela neGassie Ballon d'Or it's whereby sithi okay uGrand siyakubona uNtswembu ekhasi ne.
Sure.
Awuyithola opportunity yokuthi uyodlala ku professional football. Ithi sik acknowledge la ekhasi is whereby vumbuka khona iGassie Ballon d'Or ke ukuthi okay iba ke nawe istar saseKasi ube na something ozoyithola eKasi ezokuphusha uye phambili. Unqondo maybe izoba sharp yabo ngeke abajita basastresseka kabayi yabona. That's where kuvumbuka iGassie Ballon d'Or not for abajita basemakasi kuphela. Mawuthi yabheka sinabo coach baphelela kuphi eKasi kunabantu abadevelopa incusa eKasi, you understand, abatholi incedo abatholi ibonza ugcina sipanisa ipokoto lakhe eKasi gcina sekwenziwa ngayi example hayi uzothola le encolayo lapha egroundini ifaka amateka agugile ibhizi nabantwana bebhola. We understand ukuthi aba understand ngibona ukuthi lo muntu ufaka amateka angcolile is because of ukuthi kumele aphushe labantwana.
Okay. So I get inspiration ye-formation ye-African Kasi Balloon d'Or. Yenza ntoni organization? When you are saying bangaba okay tina we are going to recognize you, we are going to celebrate you as the athlete or as umuntu omusha or anyone who's taking initiative yokudevelop ikasi. Nina as Kasi Balloon d'Or, when you then get involved kuloma project abawayenzayo, niye nenze ntoni specifically?
Okay, thina Kasi Balloon d'Or, especially siqala from kuma tournament.
Okay.
Yabo, cause it's African Kasi Balloon d'Or Awards. Yabo?
Yes.
Siqala from kuma tournament. Whereby must invite you kwi tournament, siyafika nakhona lapho ukukhuthaza abajita. Sibagaya ama man of the match, umjito usuka adlale kahle. Simnika man of the match whereby sikunika i-trophy, i-medal. Okay. Later on bese sedile ke sete nama cereal yabo.
Yeah.
Boma oats, muesli into kanjalo. Yabona? Kellogg's. Ukuthi abajita bakhuthazeke sikunika lezo zinto lezo man of the match yabo kuye even I coach of the tournament nayo siyinika I trophy ne medal same ne player of the tournament yabona
Sure.
Yeah izo izinto engithi siba involve ngazo and then manje introduce ilokhunjana ukuthi let's help the girl child yabo. Yeah, because it happened ukuthi kunabantwana bamantombazane yabona thola ukuthi it's not simple ukuthi athole bakhona ukubhaya ama pads so whereby iKasi Balloon d'Or yenzini whereby be donate ama pads bes collector ama pads sifike sikunokhele eminyango usigaya ama pads sishute nawe then thina lama pads lawa siyawathatha siwasa egela yabo.
Nice.
Yeah, siyonika labo bantwana abasegela not egela kuphela yabona even emasontweni yabona. Bese singenelela sicele labo bantwana abaziyo bayazana siyazana masingabantu ukuthi okay ubani unokubhayiziseka you understand sikunike leyo charity bag whereby involve ama pads icolgate yabona mository
no ndiyakuthola. I hear we are actually talking about ama characteristics we leader yabona. According to wena personally, what does leadership mean to you beside indaba yama titles kunye ne recognition like lento kuthiwa umuntu uyinkokheli, what does it mean to you?
For me na bro leadership ngathini mawu leader
Sure.
you have to suffer for omunye umuntu. You understand?
Yeah.
If it takes ukuthi salungana next for omunye umuntu oswele, that's what leadership is it for me. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah. For example, I think 2009. Yabo? Yeah. There was a guy from Ekaslam. That guy ngifunde kuyinto eningi. Kubo bebanomgaya inyuke ukuthi ayothenga impahla and stuff. But yena lo nyuba azoyithatha azokwenza azophusha abajita abanye abadlala ibhola.
Okay.
Lo mali leyo ubeka ispenda for amabhola training equipment, you understand?
Yeah.
So that's what I call leadership. So ila engabona khona ukuthi ya lo muntu lo uyileader kunokuthi ayothenga something zakhe azoyigqokisa but uthatha same cash labamnikile bamphila izwa lento bamphile from endlini. Yes. Yena uzoyispenda kwabanye abantu. I think I leadership leyo kimi yabo. Yeah, le eyenzakalayo like ama leader wethu amanje asikubeke.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I know sizofika.
Yeah.
So indlela wena ukhule ngayo like upbringing yakho ishape kanjani indlela olida ngayo today?
MK like mina ngathi indlela engikhule ngayo eprogrami ngishayiwe mina. Yo mina ngishayiwe siyazi.
Sure.
Yeah, understand ukuthi umadala bekumfundisi. Same time umadala uyitaxi owner. So le cabanga lo mix le yalo muntu le.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
Mina MK benginokushayela ukuthi angiyange esontweni bro wami. Yabo ngishayo ukungayi esontweni. There was a time la ngayifendisa khona. ngayifetisa I think besibuke uyodlala ifinal abachita basekhasi bayazi
Okay.
sibuke uyodlala ifinal MK okay sidlalile ifinal sekuyisikhathi sokutambama kumele ngendlini bro wami ngiyazi ukuthi kuyongena endlini kumele ngiyotrajwa cause lo muntu bekafuna into straight yokuthi every Sunday wonke umuntu umfuna esontweni elami time abelingathi ngeke ulithola iplate for ukuthi awuzange esontweni it's a must ukuthi uze esontweni yabo
Sure.
yeah bro wami ngayifeintisa lafika lokubona ufeintile lele
Yeah.
yabo bawuthi yakhoba ke lihleli wani oh leyathi ayibona okay by that time bekayilungisa athi ukhuphula incaza ayifana ngaphakama tonto hayi iyangibulala lengweja ngebhadi
Yeah.
but ngingathini ke mawubuza as job ubuzile nje yami kungisizile ukukhula kanjalo yabona because kunezinye izinto okungisusile kuzo yabo
Yeah.
yeah so i-leadership engikhule kuyo ingincedile plan because even ama-hotman ami bewaspan but bewangeke athi kimi kumele akhiphe imali kuwo ukuthi ngiyothenga something bekumele ngispane kuqala whereby kuzomele kukhenikhwe itaxi mayiphukile thina plazini itaxi bewuyikhenikele madala bekayikhenikele iphukile itaxi kumele kukhenikhwe uthole lento uyifunayo so uyabona ukuthi ngikhule ngibamba lapho njalo ngikhule ngazi ukuthi akuyisto
You know, I remember thina ekukhuleni kwethu vele besibethwa man ngabazali.
yeah
Until government wathi it's against the law into yokuba like abantwana babethwe and all of that. Do you think why incede country or why mosha? Because in most cases when I talk nabantu abakule age group yethu who've experienced ukubethwa ngabazali endlini xa berongo abayi-regret le nto leya baya-appreciative because ibancedile ukushape the kind of people abangabo today but le generation ya sekuyekiwe ukushayana nasesikolweni sekungasabethwa
MK yabona sibali mina ngizokutshela
sure
yabona mama ngathi angibuyisela isikhathi emuva ngiyokhula ngikhule ngiqalele phansi ngikhule
sure
ngingabuyela ngishawe bro wami yabona kubhlungu ukubhekwa ungasakhuzwa that's why ibona le generation yamanje egela kusashayo
Yeah.
kwenzani nezintwana lezi ziba ama group uma ngingalwanga zona ishawutisha so uyabona ukuthi limoshakele
Yeah,
yabona
sekumoshakele.
yeah sekumoshakele fanele mina ngiyafisa ukuthi lilungiseke
Okay.
le ntwana ayishaywanga that's why estradini mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi ubaba mfethu kaMakhelwane une right ukungishaya mangibona ngenza into wrong you understand ubaba ngihlangana naye estradini uzongishaya afuthi manginyoye ekhaya ngiyobika ukuthi bangishayile nasendlini uphinde uthole yabona ukuthi fana yeah kube kumnandi sikhule eGrand
okay
yeah
so ngawaphi ama values aye aguide ama decisions oye uwathathe especially organizations xa seyifikelele ekufacing ama difficulties
Abraham ngizokutshela shuthi abantu engisipana nabo ne
sure
each and every time hayi bona amagama abangisabi kwabiza
Okay.
yabo uPhulukhulekano akaXaba ubabulinda Nkosi yabo
sure
yeah so labantu laba engisipana nabo unolithandwa akaXaba
okay
labantu engisipana nabo ne if usiba nenkinga before inkinga soyikhuluma before solungisa siqale sibikele umnikazi wenkinga
okay
yabo which is uNkulunkulu yabo
Yeah.
before soqala sikhuluma inkinga yabo ziba khona vele zona inkinga whereby ukuthi khona la igcina akekho sakhulumisa omunye kuyathuleka sihamba ngemoto siba yi3 siba yi4 emotweni kuthulekile omunye nomunye upress i4 lo driver ufacane nesteering yabo
Yeah,
yeah ziba khona inkinga bro wami but sibikela uNkulunkulu then bese ke siyayikhuluma sisonke
okay
yabo
yeah
I think it's whereby ila sithola khona I way forward after lapho
okay i-theme yethu yale season it's accountability. What does the accountability truly mean to you personally as a leader?
mfana kimi accountability kuningi ekushoyo yabona kuningi ekushoyo somewhere somehow nginalento yokuthi before kuwina mina ne
Sure.
asiwineni sonke if kuwina mina ngiyi-one i-community iyawina yabona nginalento yokuthi if omunye umuntu wenza sharp kuzomele siqala simshayele izandla yabona nawe sofika isikhathi sakho sokuthi bakushayele izandla ezo-MK
Yeah.
you understand
Sure,
as ubhaka yabona
Sure.
yeah
Okay. So we practice kanjani i-accountability within the organization?
ukuyipractice kwami bro wami ne mangiyi-one uqala endlini kunalento le yokumeditate yabona
Sure.
kumele umeditate uyi-one I think kunginceda kakhulu ukumeditate yabona because once ngameditator okay obvious wonke umuntu masilala siyathandaza yabo uthandaze and then mawuvuka kusasa uvuka so switch on yabo yanginalento abajita egroundini nokubezwa bamemeza bathi switch on
Yeah,
suka se switch on so obvious mangiqala ngithi ngiyaku-organization sine-meeting sine-event sengiyazi ukuthi mangifika lapha ismile sami sokuqala nje ukungena ngibe nesmile then hayi konke kuzohamba kahle then hayi yonke into-ke kuzobe
Okay, I know. Ndiyakuthola dam.
yeah I think like mfana enye into bathini lead by example yabo
Yeah.
yeah so that's how i-accountability ukhona ukuthi ngiyibambe yabo
Sure.
because kumele ngilide by example so if mina ngiyakhona ukuthi ngicheck whoever oku-organization in time yabona in terms of ama-meetings sonke isipani uya-understand
Yeah.
and then nami yonke into yami ngiyenze ngesikhathi if mina ngifika ngesikhathi akekho umuntu engicabanga ukuthi makuthiwa sine-meeting naye angafika late yabo
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what does it look like to hold yourself accountable when you are the one in charge kwi-organization? Even when you know bangaba okay le akusiyi flop yami le but ke I'm the leader.
yeah eish
Yeah.
leyo mfana ngingathini eish sometimes akekho umuntu ofuna ukuba wrong yabo
Okay, yeah.
sonke sihlezi sifuna ukuba right but as a leader mfana nalento ukuthi kumele uyiqale uyifake ezicathulweni zalabantu osipana nabo
Usipana nabo.
yabo ukuthi okay yini eyenza ukuthi maybe agcine enza kanje you understand if bekuyimi bengizophuma kanjani I think uba ne solution nene ubuye nilungise yabona yeah qhubeke kiwe phambili because then i-politics ngisuke sengiqala i-politics manje ngizofuna ukuthi kube ne-debate yabo because ngizogcina senikhombana then mangiphuma la wena sowusala ukhuluma nalo awuyabheda you understand nalo ukhuluma nalo then that's when ngagcina sekuba ne-African Kasipalo Ndo times season 2 or sekuhenye futhi South African you understand seku-edu South la ku-African
Okay.
because angikufunanga enye into mawurong accept ukuthi urong you understand iyaqhubeka
Yeah.
fana nokuthini usorry break any relationship uyalungisa
Uyalungisa.
into kanjalo bhuti wami
Yeah, okay. So, how does your organization yenu support ama young athletes beyond just nje kuma sports performances wabo, like ukubanikeza ama awards and all of that? Zeziphi ezinye indlela niba supporta ngazo?
ezinye indlela esibasupporta ngazo bhuti wami I'm not sure ukuthi uzoyibelieve le once sakunominata ku-African Kasipalo Ndo
Yeah.
so sekhaya ne
Okay.
okokuqala silandelela i-performance yakhe esigele ukuthi injani you understand if siyakubona khona la lekha khona kumele si-organizele whoever ozokusiza kuleyo subject leyo esibona ukuthi usukuleka lapho usukuleka khona you understand yeah and then 2 ngiyacabanga ukuthi athlete esinokuhlangana nawo awamazi uNkulunkulu fana, but it's not ukuthi siyaba forced ukuthi baye esontweni or bayosonta la esonta khona, but kayi-1 ngeviki yabo, kayi-1 ngenyanga
Yeah.
ukuya esontweni into esiyifunayo thina leyo.
Okay.
You understand, ube noNkulunkulu uzokwazi ukuthi even makuthiwa uyakhuluma awusakhuluma uhlaphaza amagama yabo, because most yale ntwana ezikhulayo emagroundini igcina seyikhipha amagama wrong, but once waba nesonto lihambayo it's whereby ukuthi uyakhona ukuqoqeka nasemlonyeni. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. What life skills do you hope ukuba ngaba abantu baye bahambe nazo after baye baba ipart ye programs zenu?
Ama life skills fana sinala ukuthi bawabambe ne.
Sure.
Yeah. Fana okay. Talent ne. Talent, let's say talent lakho. Siyakubona unikiwe.
Sure.
But fana angifuni ukuqamba manga ngeke sikhohlisane. Yabo?
Sure.
Fana but into thina esiyigcuzelelayo kakhulu. Isikela fana. Sibalekile. Yabo?
Sure.
Isikela yiyo into esisuke sifuna babe nayo. Yabona? Ungaba i-soccer player, i-career soccer player emfishane fana. Yabo? Manje I'm not saying ukuthi kuyenzeka, but once walimala ebholeni, even la i-team osukuyidlalelile bayakountela une injury ukuqala. Hayi
Sebecabanga ukumreplace.
scrap manje yabo.
Sebecabanga ukumreplace.
Yeah, injuries too high replacement yabo. So kuyokusiza ukuthi mawuqala uthi replacement at least uphethe something yabo, uphethe boma degree, uphethe boma what yabona. So iyo into engathini ibalekile mfana.
Okay.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Asingene kuvutho ndaba kancane. Asingene kuvutho ndaba. Let's talk about the event enanike nayenza as iKasim Balloon d'Or. What was the event about? How was the event? Kwenzeka ntoni nje?
Oh, my brother. Ngathini first annual event yeKasim Balloon d'Or
That was in 2020 or
2022.
okay.
Okay, ngathini iqale sharp. Unokubona into engaziwa. Bekuyinto yokuqala ukuthi yenzeke eKasi le. You understand?
Sure.
Kunama award whereby nominator i-commentator kune category ama commentator, i-category yama coach aseKasi, i-category yama development coach yabo, laba bakhulisa intwana from zincane.
Okay.
Yabona bafika boTanswembu bayitshontshe ngoba nakubona abanenyuku laba bananyuku yabo.
Okay, sure.
Kune fan, i-fan ayikaze abakhona i-category ye-fan eKasi, ifike ngathi fan of the year.
Okay.
You understand?
Sure, sure.
Bewa maningi even ama-photographer, I think kuwe kuphela bengingakufakanga, but wonke lama-photographers eKasi bewakhona. Ayikho bengekho yabo. Even nalawa manje sithi okay masibabheka ya balapha ama-professional manje.
Yeah.
But iKasim Balloon d'Or ibafakile by that time bebeseseKasi yabo.
2022 baningakangeni next kwimedia.
Yeah 2022 besibafakile bhuti wami. Okay ngathini abasithathanga serious abanye mayiqala. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand ukuthi besikwenzela i-post yakho, post asifaka isithombe sakho, siyabhala i-keyword SMS yabona.
Sure.
2 yabo.
Yeah.
Besibasendela abanye, understand, sibasendela. Okay, sibatshela ukuthi bazoyiphusha bona, bazoyipromote ukuthi ba SMS, obviously bek SMS. Okay, abanye basithathanga serious program. Khona basithathile serious. You understand?
Yeah.
Ya leader ukuthi until azavalwa ama vote saba nama winners. Yabo? Saya ku event. Mangakutshela ukuthi event yakhona ile even na this year njoba so ilaunch kusese isemgama. It's African Kasim Balloon d'Or red carpet experience for kasi players.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Nayo i-red carpet. Okay, even though first annually ezinye izinto nathi besingazazi, but we tried ukuthi simithe i-standard lesebesisifisa. Yabo?
Sure.
Okay, bashow upile abantu bazile bazosupporta. Even though singatholanga isupport esasi expectile. Yabo?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't wanna lie. Iwolo lalingagcwelanga. Yeah, bekuze labo bantu nje yabona labo bakhapheni.
Yeah,
Okay, sayenza
okay.
i-event. Yeah, MK. Event isiyenzile to tell you the truth, ne? Kunabantu ngisabakolota even na today. Yabo?
Sure.
Ama winners ngaba mention ngamagama cause ngibazi bonke. Ama winners sabakolota. I think the likes of Babgudluze, Themba Gudluze. Yeah. Wawida i best development coach of the year.
Okay.
Yeah, the reason umenishila yena oqala. I think uyakhumbula basi
Ngiyakhumbula
eTexter.
ngibuza ukuthi
Athi
ukhethani.
MK ngishutela lo muntu lo ngishutela lo mngani wami. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Babgudluze samkolota. Kunenye out yase Ekagiso. Not Ekagiso man. eThepisong bathi umJapan. It's a soccer fan.
Okay.
Siyayikolota leyo out. And njengoba siyikolota last ngezoma rumors ukuthi ize yashaya ingoma yokuthi 2022 wafika uBark abantu bangivotela yena wahamba nemali yabo. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So baningi labantu esibakolotayo even African Kasipalondo of the year. I think uyamazi. uGotso Mlive professor.
Okay.
Yeah, siyamkolota and even le month engijele ngayo masikhuluma masilauncha i-second annual. First of all into esizobe siqala ngayo kusoqala bona labantu bathole okay bawatholile ama-trophy yabo but thina ngokwethu besingafuni ukubanika lama-trophy esabanika wona because lama-trophy esabanika wona ilama-trophy besiwasebenzisa masiye ema-groundini for ama-man of the match but due to ukuthini siyele sapayiziseka one besingana sponsorship
Yeah.
masiyiqala.
Okay. Okay.
Two, besikhipha from our own pocket. We understand. Sponsor I think besinaso nje yami noma ngeke ngisimention. Besinaso sponsor, we understand MK. Yonke into sesiplana sesibona ukuthi okay izokwenzeka the way sifuna ngakhona. Isponsor sesikhona bro wami. Bake bakudampa nje yami. Bakudampe kusasa maybe ngiplan ukuthi ngiya ku vacation. Wena bayakudampa.
So ubhadale yonke.
So what happened Jami bese explainile siqedile. Okay. Leso sponsor besithembise i100k. So uyabona ukuthi ama expense wethu wonke bese waphelele. But yami lo muntu lo sithole i-email yokuthi ngeke asakhona ukusponsor. Kusele 2 days. Siye ku-event even umuntu ebesisipana naye siyazi ukuthi sisipana sonke.
I think noma yephi law esingaza nayo from incwadi ayikho law that says ukuba as a sponsor you kufanele ucancel like 2 days before the event as a sponsor. Na ayikho law enjalo. I think you guys bekufanele ukuthi nina nalwa naso sponsor esiya because you cannot make ama promises siyenza ama preparations according to your promises thina and then ngelanga lokugcina you just drop out.
MK ithi ngitshele bro wami some of the things angikhathali ukuthi ubani uthini.
Sure.
Siphila ekasi asithandani sisonke. What happened Jayami? Lento le esivele nayo thina. Akekho umuntu okwavela nayo. Yabo even ngavela omunye umuntu avele namanye ama award wasekasi. Ngizomsuka because manje sengazi umthetho and nginama lawyer. Yabona? Into engizokutshela yona bro wami. thina besilwa nabantu aba-organize ama-tournament whereby as-organize i-tournament. We understand akubuhlungu ufikile etournamentini but uyezwa inkulumo ubizwa nge-fly by night, ubizwa nge-scam. You understand?
Yeah.
So nesponsor sigcine sithola same magama. So ukuthi angifuni ukumenishina amagama abantu bro wami and angifuni ukumenishina amakhampani esiye kuwo. Yabona?
Sure.
Lama company masifika kuwo bathi yini Ballon d'Or hayi nina ni scam nidla ama 200 abantu. You understand?
How does one say enye into si-scam? Like ugowe kwephi extent nge-research oyenzileyo to say okay this thing is not legit, si-scam or le illegit, like bajaja njani?
Ne bro wami mina according to experience esibe nayo ne team yami into eyenzekile bro wami umona once uMK azovela ngento ehlukile kuneyami ngokuthi ngimshayela izandla ngiba nomona bro wami.
Yeah.
And to tell you the truth akekho umuntu kwawo mina ang-involvanga igasi lami ngiyi-one ngithe African kasi Ballon d'Or wonke amakasi yabo wonke amakasi.
Yeah.
So ibathusile lento but at the same time bayakwazi ukuthi ama-team adlale ama-tournament kusuke ama-team akwamanye amakasi azodlala. We understand? So le yamangazi fana abanye abantu fana indaba ngehetheka but kumele ngikhulume amanye ama-company masifika kuwo besifika sikhulume umuntu wakhona athi azini ithi ngikutshele kahle ukuthi ubani washo 1 and 2 and 3 mawuthi yabheka umuntu omaziyo omthembayo umuntu okutexta nawe ndena akutshela ukuthi hey man khamba kanjani uphusha kanjani yathola kuyahlangana but same time same muntu uyakwazi ukuhamba ngani fana sibuya thina ngeke ngiwamenishine nama office akhona because ngeke ungisize nalokho ukuthi ngiwamenishine sine Hotman lami sibuya kwamanye ama office nakhona kulawo ma office fana sasinayo lento ukuthi lento soyithola.
Sure.
Yabona after that indaba mangiyithola ne okay umuntu bekangisile lapha ne mina bengingazi ukuthi ungisa lapha ufuna iposition naye kuikasi Ballon d'Or. Yabona so bekumele yena asho ukuthi ngikusa lapha ngibhekile. You understand?
Okay.
Only to find out indaba sengiyithola yabo emagroundini igcwele sengiyithola emagroundini ukuthi hayi wena uye nomuntu so mawuqeda ulanda lo mngane wakho wasezayoni. Okay lo mngane wami wasezayoni inomuntu engiqale naye African kasi Ballon d'Or. Yabona ubhuti wami lo muntu by that time.
Yeah.
Bathi ulanda lo mngane wakho wasezayoni just because basibona sisuke sifake iuniform yasezayoni. Uyathola?
Sure.
So Brian into engizokutshela yona basisabothachile. They won the first round bro wami. Yabo? They won the first round. Okay, even nathi planning yethu nokungabi nokwazi yathola.
Yeah.
Because bekunalento yama 2 rand MK.
Okay.
Each SMS 2 rand.
Yeah.
So I thought mina ukuthi lama 2 rand wonke eza kimi. So bengithi mangithatha icalculate ngithi 2 rand times 10,000 ayikuvezele enye imali ngithi hayi kuzosipanela. That's when ngenzani ngikhipha ama prize money wama winners. Yabona? Based kulama 2 rand.
Ubheke kuma votes.
Yes. And come ke masithi claim ama 2 rand. Ane that's when sesithola ukuthi hayi khona la engafundanga khona. Each SMS thina sithatha 90 cent. Mina nithatha 60 cent. Then the rest if you vote abona ngithi lama network ahlukene.
Yeah.
Yes, let's say uvote ngeVodacom, iVodacom idonsa imali yayo. Uvote ngeCell C, idonsa imali yayo ye-SMS. Uvote ngeMTN, MTN idonsa imali yayo ye-SMS. You understand? Lesalayo wena uyishare nale company esuke ibamba amalokunyana ama SMS. For example, angithi kune IEC le phethe amavoti
count
masivoteli
amavoti.
yeah yes nalapho ke kusuke kune company kanjalo esuka iphakathi nendawo bro wami yabo
Yeah.
yes
Yo.
so into eyasibhayizisa leyo we understand come to sekumele sibhadala abantu mawuthi ayichecka imali oyikolota kumele uyibhadale igijima close to 35,000 whereby wena imali yama SMS mawuyoclaim uthola 6,000 uzonika bani kule 35,000 oyikolotayo
Yo.
so into esibhekane nayo bro wami ngagcina ngibizwa ngescam so kubhlungu for mina for my side bro wami you understand
Sure.
ngisurvive ama suicide I think I 3 whereby ukuthi awulala ebusuku njaya wazi ukolota abantu yathola
Yeah.
kunabantu sebabanika nama address wakini yathola ukuthi hayi siyamcava uhlala endaweni so abantu basekazi yathola bagana ngama address ama-call abantu ayangena bafuna imali yabo bro wami uyathola whereby fana ngishawe yini ama-countings wami ngashawa nayile nto yamathurandi ukuthi bengingazi ukuthi ihamba kanjani yabona so bese kunzima for mina ukuthi ngiphume endlini ngiye ngaphandle ngikolota abantu yathola bangangena bafike bathathe izinto zikamadalami whereby umadalami ifamily yami ayikho involved kule initiative yami
Yeah, sure.
Uyathola?
True.
yeah so bekubhlungu mfana whereby bengicina ngiba nomqondo ukuthi is better ukuthi ngigalaze yabona is better ngigalaze fana ngibuyile emzimbeni fanele ngiye ngaphela fana ngiyabonga fana ubhukhulekane no Linda Nkosi whereby fana ngikhonile ukusurvive ngalabantu yabona ngikhonile ukuthi from ku-edit ngibe umuntu osharp fana bozothi mawuhlangana nami emagroundini uhlangana nami ngidakiwe is like ngifuna ukuthi even if ngibaface ngizobatshela whatever
Because
yeah izoyiphumela
Yeah, sewuzama zindlela yokucope.
yeah understand
Yes.
so lama hotman oyi2 akwazile ukuhlala nami mfana yabona anginika angihambanga counseling ngiqamba manga angihambanga counseling yabo ngikhansele mina nalama hotman bakwazi ukungithatha let's say lama hotman ayavaya ePitori ayedebena yakuphi bowangeka avaye oyi2 yabo azofona endoda singelanga lisosi yedebena ngini minayi anginazo into zokugqoka izinto zami ayisangilingani before kuzohanjwa kuzoqalwa maybe khanjwe kiwe eshop
Yeah.
kumele ngiyothengela izinto
Thengele,
yabona
nyana, sure.
lama hotman lawo bengingabonakala ukuthi ngiyabhayiziseka ngihamba nawo you understand so as I'm saying namanje bro wami ngiyabonga ukuthi lama hotman abekhona elifeini yami yabona and even ngizokwenza i-second annual
Sure.
ngizoyilontsha uzobukhona bro wami uzobona same labantu laba ngithi siyabakolota so babhadala you understand because of lama hotman yabona
Yeah.
there's a potential sponsor lesi siyasibona ke lesi ngeke sijike endleleni sibhizi naso you understand that's why sithi sokhipha ilanga idate nenyanga ukuthi ngelanga elisoze yakhala yabona
Yeah.
yeah and ngifuna labantu bajabule and into emnandi ngani bra wami lama trophy lawo engibanike wona ne ngiyabapha kunama trophy wabo azayo hayi class unokuzwa
Yeah.
bathi into equality
Quality, okay.
yeah le ntwana zebhola lezi mayithenga ama Cox zithi first class i-first class bro wami lezayo and ngi 100% sure soon uzoyibona
Okay.
yeah nabo bazojabula I think nabo bazongixolela yabona
Okay, sure,
bro wami
Yo. Yeah, ibhaya lento le. You know, it's sad into yokukhulela kwi environment or kwi community where sonke mentally siyastruggle, yabo, siyastruggle. So because the moment uzobona umuntu oyi-one from ikasi lakho ngathi approach success, you're not only celebrating that person, nawe uzifuna da. In a way, you feel like nama I deserve bangaba man bephayana to a point where if ever ikusebenzele wena rather ingasebenzi yonke at all. Yabona?
Yeah, mina bro wami mina ngibe nebhadi bro wami. I think ukuthanda ibhola. Yabo?
Sure.
Ukuthanda ibhola mina bro wami kudala ngiba involved kulezi zinto zokuthi i-tournament iphelile ama team awayitholanga inyo.
Awayitholanga inyo.
Yeah, mina bro wami ngathini ngiyenga coordinator i-tournament. Yabo? Coordinator i-tournament and even wonke lawo ma team bewadlala ayikho neyiwane ngathi imali ngayinika uBhaka. You understand?
Sure.
Mina kwamba ukucoordinate i-tournament ngibhekile ukuthi ngizohaya kunomuntu ocollect imali but ekugcineni imali mayingasatholakali because abantu abasuke bafuna ukukhansela uBhaka. Yabo?
Sure.
Yeah, bakulento ukukhansela uBhaka. Uzwa sibali uvela uyidlelana imali Bhaka. So sengize ngangcola in a such a way ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi kwaqala into kuzothiwa vele uBhaka udla imali.
Yabona.
You understand?
Yeah, true.
Because sekunabantu vele fana abafuna ukukukhansela. You understand? Angazi fana obasuke babona ukuthi uzobahlula because asikho kwi-competition isidevelopa i-community ekugcineni. Yabo? Yonke into esisuke siyenzela umphakathi.
I think into engihlala ngiyibuza ukuthi out of layer effort le yoku express hate ngomunye umuntu do yonke nje le nto leya you take time you cancel uyenza sure ukuthi uyayi destroy image yakhe. Okay, so uqedile ke no kuyenzakala in after like
Fana mina angazi ukuthi utholani because lo muntu umphefumulo wakhe usuke usasekhona.
Yeah.
You understand? Usuka saphila lo muntu asahamba.
Yeah,
You understand? Because most yabantu abasuke bafuna ukukhansela umuntu suke sifana nabo abana next nabo. You understand?
yeah.
Uyihlalele back room yakini nawe uhlale back room yakubo. You understand? Hamba ngenyawo nayo uhamba
Sihamba
ngenyawo.
ngenyawo,
You understand? Sonke sikwi level A1. So at least mawungikhansela.
Yeah.
Thola ke for example Chita kulento yama SMS weKasipa Londo. I think now ke wayizwa lento. Ukuthi bathi Kasipa Londo ngalama SMS wamathurani senza ama million. Dog.
Zakala.
Dog bathi senza ama million. Okay.
Yo.
Okay, ikhona imillion efana nami ehleli nawo. Ngimillionaire ngabe ngisaploma lapha kithi. Ngabe ngisaploma eThokoza.
Yabona.
You understand? So, sike saba nayo. We understand that even nanto beyimstress uGoodman Langa. Yabo? Ukuthi bathi sithola ama million.
Ama million.
I remember yona lena lo bhuti esisipana nayo bamnkosi.
Sure.
There was a time kunama out esahlangana nawo eJozi. Lama out they were willing ukuthi asponsor. Yabo? Lama out are willing ukuthi asponsor, acela iproposal ngayihambisa iproposal. Okay. Same day makuhamba iproposal yethu. Kufika same muntu engangimnominateile kwiKasipa Londo. We understand?
Sure.
Just because udliwe kuKasipa Londo. Akusiyimi ebengivota akusi abangani bakhe bebamvotela abantu baselokishini lakhe abavotanga ukuthi awini. Makafika lapha ubona iproposal yethu. Okay, iproposal yethu yinhle ine cover and iyaveza uKasipa Londo. Makafika uthi hayi labantu ngiyabazi, labantu laba bathola ama million, labantu bathola imali esafa. Cabanga safa. Safa.
Yo.
Labantu bathola imali esafa. Isafi banikile imali abantu abanikanga abantu imali zabo iscam labantu lapha. Lo muntu lo that guy was willing mfana ukuthi lento ngihamba nayo. Yabo? Fonela unkosi angazisakhona ukunika. Nina sizwe bathi nithola ama million plus imali esafa ni scam abantu. Same umuntu bengimnominateile. Yabo?
Yeah.
Yabo? So
Yeah.
ezinye izinto bro mina ngazi labantu ukuthi batholana. Omunye ucele simnominate bese ivalile fana. yabo
Yeah.
ungitexta after a day after sivalile uyangitexta yathola ya man ngubani from endaweni eso ngicela ninginominate ngiyanicela ngenza noma yini ngithi hayi la awenzi noma yini yabo okay kwi-category ofuna sikufake kuyo vele bekushoda umuntu oyi-1 but bese sivalile just because shoda umuntu oyi-1 ithi sikufake kanti ngifake inyoka fana you understand
abantu baba last minute.
mangithola uye bathi uhamba shumayela ngami emagroundini
Yeah.
ngamrobhani because lo muntu lo akekho beyangekho even kwi-top 5 yekwi-category yakhe kubantu abawinayo you understand
Yeah.
manje yabona manje bro wami sibhizi siplanela i-second annual kunabantu abavumbukayo sebenza ama-award nabo wasebhuqwini yabo because thina ilokhunyana yethu ithini hashtag kusazoba mnandi ebhuqwini yabo sekunabantu abavumbuka benza ama-award wasebhuqwini you understand mawuthi uyachecka into yabo yonke into babhale njengami you understand i-mission and vision yabo ile same thing engiyibhalile
Oyibhalile
ku-website yami you understand so even ama-category wakhona wonke yilawa akukasibhalo lo
Akukasubhalundo.
yabo bengizoba noxolo fana if awafani yabo i-judging criteria yabo ile lekasibhalo no yabo so it's whereby ukuthi lo muntu uhambile wangena ku-website yethu wachecka yonke into okay uyithatha njengoba injalo mawuqeda then uyavumbuka so uyayiposta but ke hayi for labo
Yeah.
it's a story for another day
Yeah,
yabo cause vele ama-lawyers wethu abhizi ngayo le nto le thina
Yeah.
siyishiyele kubo sometimes angithi akumelanga ulwe impo ibonayo ukuthi le ayidingi
Ayidingi.
idinga abantu abakhulu abaphela
I'm thinking number ndiyafuna ukuyi-entertaina ne but earlier ngokuya besithetha ngayo you mentioned ukuba ama-lawyer busy ngayo so I'm like ish sizobhazisa ama-lawyer if ever nathi sizongena kule topic le while
Yeah.
busy ngayo yabo
Yeah.
but kuyo yonke mani into eyenzekileyo nokuzama ukukukhansela ukuzama ukudestroy i-image yakho nokudestroy ikasipalunto what do you think abantu baye bayi-misunderstanda ngawe plus ne-organization?
bro wami to tell you the truth into eyelevele yenza le
Sure.
yabona when comes to ukuthi ama-payment wabantu awenziwanga uyathola
Yeah.
ila eqale yapeta khona uyathola obvious nabantu abangabe basalandelela ukuthi maybe bayothola yonke into kini
Yeah.
ukuthi kwenzakaleni mawuzovela wena MK lo muntu akangibhadalanga you understand nami ngizoyithatha yathola lo muntu wenu ngithola abantu bakhuluma ngalo umuntu wenu kuyafana akabhadalanga abantu yathola that's where emoshakale khona makufika masithi yoclaima le mali yama-SMS
Yeah,
yabona
yeah.
it can't be ukuthi ukolota 35,000 then uthola 6,000 so if le 35,000 ngithathe i-5,000 ngayoyinika for example maybe ngayoyinika unyiko Hlongwane wesithembiso as the best coach yabo then laba abanye bebazothini
Yeah.
you understand ukuthi ila bese izoqala vele imoshakale khona
So i-prizes zabo bekuyi-trophy nemali.
yes bekuyi-trophy imedal imali bro wami
Yeah.
okay nama-certificate yabona yathola yizo izinto lezo okay ama-trophy nama-medal bawatholile ama-certificates awabamba sithi sowakhipha draw nemali yathola so bro wami angifuna ukuqamba mama ma ungacounta from 2022 is 2026 manje khane sowenza into right uyathola zama sihubalazi uthi uyafika eponzini bakutshela ukuthi aninaskren ngani-scam
Yo.
I think
Yo.
labantu balokhu bajabula all along yathola uthi uyafika la uyabona for example yami into enhle uyayibona ngithi nawe let's say uzofika ubona isponsor sisponzile i-tournament uthi hayi maybe lo muntu because of unalento yasegroundini maybe angayithanda nale yami because similar to kule nto yasegroundini ma ufika athi hayi sengiyazi ngawe bro wami ubhaka hayi Park angizwile ngizokuningi ngawo ngithi awubhuti wami uzwini nePark hayi ufuna ukulonga scam so yabona ukuthi Bro, that's why abantu bagcine lento bayithola ngathi vele ayikho yabona yes cause lo muntu uyenzile ngathini ubenzile ubusathane bakhe yabo cause ngeke ngithi homework yabona ubenzile ubusathane bakhe cause beyangase uqala i1 but ugcina influencer the whole community yabona cause even eSoweto bro wami even eDavidton even eThembisa even kuphi mangivela bekuvela iscam even evali khona enye ke yaba nesibindi le yangilanda live ku Facebook ngipostele ipicture yami yathi wena uskemara wena uskemara
yo
I understand yeah okay ngatsho ukuthi hayi akusizi phela ngizolokhu ngivalele endlini ngizolokhu ngimoshela impilo yami yathola at the end of the day ikasipa londo abantu baselokishini ne and nginabantu ezotshintsha impilo zabo so mangizolokhu ngithula ngilokhu ngibalekela abantu ithi ngiphume ngebantwini you understand ngiphuma abantu bangibona ukuthi ngikhona I think the more bangibona the more babona ukuthi angibalekanga you understand abanye bese bagcina ba understand ama bangibona yathola so okay.
Aye. Let's go back kule part ya lama SMSs la. Do you think napaziswa icompany ovele nina zange ni pay attention to information ekakufanele niyifundile na understand imali ihamba kanjani?
Brian, ithi ngitshela ukuthi into yasibhayizisa lento bekuyinto yokuqala ne first annual. Yathola Tina, we did not pay attention to lonke iphepha besendelwe lo ebesi-emailelwe lona.
Okay.
I think if sacheka kahle email safunda so uyabazi labantu bamakhampani bakusendela ama page ngebabo my 10 leli libalekile maybe page 7 mawufundele lokuqala wena uthola iclarity kulelo lokuqala awubusaya kulawa manje you understand the advice yami komunye umuntu ukuthi next time kuzomela enye into ile ukuthi masisipana besisipana besingakabi baningi yabo enye into engiyifundile pro wamile ukuthi manisipana ifuna into enizosipana ngayo akube nomuntu ozoba kule side lokuthi uzofunda yonke into yena ipaperwork yakhe yeah uyathola
admin yena
yes admin nje okwakhe uzositshela yena so into yashaya la pro wami asipheyanga attention to angeke ngithi company ayenzanga next if thina sasifundile sasothola then sibuyele back to ebantwini ukuthi hayi as besithi izinto ngeke isaba kanje because enye into pro wami ngifuna ukuqamba manga ngalama prize ngiba attractile abantu yabo abantu siba attractile
true
yabo siba attractile abantu because nabo bebathu ukuthi awu for kuba ucoach nje ngizothola imali engaka imali engijwayele ukuyiwina kwi-tournament ngeteam yonke yabo nangiwina ngiyi-1 besiba attractile fana abantu angifuna ukuqamba manga yabona yeah thina ngathini planning yethu ye-first annual fana ayibanga good yabo ayibanga good so yasilidela even into ukuthi lo muntu lo ozosebenzisa le information agcine awina fana yabona
yeah you know what, in life we are actually bound ukuba ngaba siyenza ama mistakes like we are that is why umntwana omncane makasa before azohamba uyazama ukuphakama awe and all of that but la habe khona uyahamba and angeke asaphinda khase uyabona
exactly.
So I take it ukuthi from whatever that happened ku first annual there's a lot oyifundile that you are going to apply kuyo le second annual le of which it's my next question ngokuvele kuba ngaba kuyo yonke into oyifundileyo from ukuvula kweKasipali door up until you guys decide about okay now let us work on the second annual, what are you going to do differently?
Bro, kuningi yabo
Sure.
yeah kuningi and izinto ezinhle zodwa it's not ukuthi ngikhuluma because of ngifuna abantu baphinde bathengeke babuye ne bazoyibuyela bona
Yeah.
yabona
bazozibuyela.
yeah bazoyibuyela kuningi probably nama changes akhona kwiKasipalo nje iyonke through ama nomination ama category
Sure.
yabo kunana ama category amasha abantu bebangawacabangi you understand
Okay.
yeah kuningi and kuningi esokufaka futhi yabona ngathini futhi pro wami maningi ama company afuna ukusipana nathi this year futhi yabona
Sure.
yeah
Okay.
and we willing ukuthi nawo siwachaze because already abhekile afuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani this year yeah
Hayi ngiphethe tam. Do you think bangaba mhlawumbe khona enye into that we are actually leaving out ebekufanele ukuthi siyi-addressile today? Because from inside lam I think ndifumene clarity yawo wonke ama-questions that I've had ngeKasipalo Nto.
Brian enye into ebengifuna siyilungise ne
Sure.
le ngifuna ukuyitshela ama tournament organizers yabo Z2 1 African Kasipalo Nto Awards ayizanga ukuzokwenza competition nama tournament yabo it's totally different to le yabo yama tournament
Okay.
you understand
Yeah.
so usicela bangathi mabasibona sivela e-tournamentini yabo kube ngathi sisuke sobabheka sobagada you understand
Sure.
suke thina sizojabulela into enhle abayenzayo you understand and sisuke siphethe into ezonceda ezokhuthaza abajita baseKasa basuke badlala
Sure.
then two bro wami to wonke ama tournament organizers khona okay khona sharp ayibambe grand ngicela siye kukwenzela ama team ama favor ngicela siye kukwenzela ukuthi uBhaka uyamanzi ifavor adlale i-tournament angafakanga imali iyo into legcina yenza ama tournament bathi ababhadala abantu because uzongenzela ifavor ngidliwe bese ke ngiyahamba at the end of the day I'm the first one ogijima athi hayi udla imali ye-tournament ngibe ngingayifakanga imali
And when I asked this question kuma-tournament organizers, baphendula as if now we've got this mfethu in only to find out ukuthi still bancenge ama-team ngale ndlela yokuthi bagambula nge-organization yabo, because obviously if ever you're not going to pay i-team at the end of i-tournament i-stain sihlala kwi-organization. Next time awuhosta i-trust ayisekho kangako because ama-team ayazi ukuthi awubhatali, of which zizinto that you can avoid is
exactly bro wami
Yeah,
yabona mina ngithini ngamane i-tournament idlalwa ama team ashoda
ashodayo.
if usothi top 16 ama team ayi12 leyo 12 ayiqhubeke so ibona ukuthi iphela kanjani
Yeah,
because lento le yama favor yiyo le egcina imosha ama tournament emakhasi you understand
Sure.
sikwenzela ifavor after that awulokhu njani awubhatali yabo
Yeah. I think next season sizobe sithetha nge-transparency yabona, because ngifuna ukugcinelisa kakhulu ekubeni ba ama-tournament organizers abe transparent kuma-team that are participating ku-team, because ama-misunderstandings amaninzi ayenzakala because ama-team aparticipatayo anala information eseposteni ba this is what's happening, only to find out ukuthi there's a lot of ama-changes ayenzekileyo kwi-organization, kwi-project, but it's not transparent to
MK bro azi mawusakhuluma kanje ne ungibuyisela something wonke ama tournament ne organizers MK
sure
kunento engifike nayo ebhuqwini ne kumele bazosibonga as African Kasipalo Nto kunento esifike nayo bro wami ebhuqwini. I think now aware you understand ukuthi manje sekuya SMS ukujoin i-tournament
hayibo.
you understand kumele SMS elwe ukuthi nizojoin i-tournament in-SMS igama le-team banike inamba in-SMS la kuyo
For join i-tournament.
yes yes lo zoba nama SMS amaningi yiba bathathayo bajoin i-tournament
so could decide ama fans basically.
yes so angisicelani bro wami sicela ama tournament organizers ayenzayo la yini azwakala azosibonga sika sibhalo ndoba mfethu yabo cause lento SMS ebuqini sifakile bayifunde kathi you understand uyathola bayifunde kathi sicela benze bazobonga asifuni imali asifuni trophy asifuni just ukuze bezosibamba ngesandla cause bafundise into abebangayazi bro wami yabo nathi sijabulile masibona ukuthi hawo sasifaka into entsha mos there's no long ukuthi ama team uyawa invite eze seya SMS ama fan wow hayi silikhulisile ibhola laseKasi
elikhulile
yeah
likhulile nami sengiyayicabanga no le yama SMSs le because ama team awafuna ukaffiliate bra I tell you but kuma SMSs nalapho for you to be safe don't say abantu maba SMS nje non stop have a target
yes
yabo say i-entry yakho it's 1000 SMSs yabona now you know kuleya 1000 SMSs ukuba ngaba xa uyenzela ama calculations wemali icompany izothatha imali yabo iVodacom or MTN uSoC izothatha imali yayo now uzosheka naleyo mali leyo now you calculate according to le mali ozosheka nayo uba ngaba ngama 60 cents that are going to be 1000 you know about okay now this is my affiliation price but let them work to raise it and again ama team abaya they claim ukuthi bona bashaya into grand but fan base ayizwakelayo so indaba yama SMS izophinda ishaye la because ama team abaya awanawo ama fan
bro mara
imagine sewuthi ngifuna 100 SMSs for you to qualify kuyoba nzima
bra azmina my advice mara asiyeka sengikhathela ukunika abantu ama ideas bethu because bayawasebenzisa bajike bakabuki yabo yeah mara ilebe ngisho nje hayi angifuna ukuqamba manga African Kasi Ballon d'Or ifakile into yama SMS ebhuqwini
yabo awungcedile
seriyaja yabona beyama SMS even abachita bala iKasi if bangithatha serious I think ngabe nabo bakubonile lokho recognize bakufuna yabona cause sambe badala silethele iaward yethu sesiwinile ngithi akuyavota yabo
and ke ngokuthola ukuthi ama votes awangeni ene wena uyitshela ukuthi uyistand doda
yabona bro abantu bazokubhayizisa uyitshela ukuthi bayavota kanti abavoti yabona kunenye intwana mangi nominator it's future brand snaps I think ase Limpopo or Northwest ne mangi nominator cause yavela ku Facebook yathi hayi ngiyami bengidala lo muntu uzoyidliwela to tell you ukuthi lo yamuntu bo number 1 yabo bebakhona abajida laba bala iKasi I think if bona bayiphushile vele ema page na ukuthi bavote yeah I think umshimane bebazomshiya yes but umshimane because yena bekayiphusha each and every day yabo besichecka ngithi ukuthi okay we promote kanjani yabo umshimane waphusha vele because naye siyamkolota I understand ukuthi sikolota nomuntu wasekudeni yabo and most yabantu esibakolotayo fana ngifuna ukuqamba manga ngeke ngithi yibo abasabotacha iAfrican Kasi Ballon d'Or no bathulile fana yabo bathulile yabo abakhuluma
spectator nje manje
yes ama spectator abantu abakhuluma nalo engingamazi ukuthi kwakume yeah fana
yeah I think asiyeke indlule now that we are going to mend sizoyenza sure ukuthi la senze impazamo khona we are going to fix it's just gonna be esa story nje sizosibalisa ukuthi mfethu this is where we coming from and izo encourage omunye umuntu ukuthi it's okay to fail yabona yeah from my side it's been conversation productive informative food because khulunyiwe kai guys uBhaka from iKasi Ballon d'Or for everyone ebekayazi side labantu abalikhulumayo ukuthi what's happening iKasi Ballon d'Or this is a platform for you to actually learn bangaba kwenzeka ntoni from the horse's mouth, of which the platform is still open. Bangaba there's questions eninazo, I'm sure now he's going to monitor as he upload the episode bangaba kwenzeka ntoni. If ever there's questions eninazo, ni comment bafethu. If kuyenzeka ke bangaba kumele siphinde sim-invite e-studio to come and respond to ama questions wenu, especially if uzohluleka ukutype akada.
Ready.
Sizombiza.
Ready.
Sizombiza. Yeah, nikhumbule bafethu, we are on season 2. The theme yethu it's accountability. We are paving a way for a transparency, which is going to be theme yethu season 3 on 2027. Grootman, ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Bonga mina.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Yeah, go on ama activities that you're going to be doing this year. I guarantee you EMK izawube khona.
Noma
This
kanjani.
time now that siyazana anything abayishoyo now mzobe ngiyazi.
Yeah, utshelele
Angeke kube ngama hearsays.
usendelele bakuthemba kudluza isithombe sethu.
Uzoyithola.
Isithombe sethu sashite egrandini yasifutha.
Okay. Ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe bafethu. Manje sengicela ukucomment nayo yonke lento le, ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe. Ni share ama post wethu, especially le video lena, ngicela ukuthi ni share nakubanye abantu abasase nama questions ukuthi kwenzeka ntoni kahle kwikasipalo nto. And remember, this year they are going to be hosting the second annual yabo yama awards. Ikhona information that you think you've left out ngendaba yama awards or vele nisase kwi drawing board?
The only thing engingayishoyo nje abantu abalindele i-launch ye-second annual.
Okay.
Yeah, balindele i-launch ye-second annual lokunjana ne-launch yama nominees. Ngelanga eli-1 sobe si-launch siphinde sikhipha ama nominees wa second annual bazobe bavotela futhi siyabuyela kwi-2 bafethu le sikhishile last time, but this time sibuya nge-strategy esi-right.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi sohlangana nge-launch siphinde sihlangane nange-main event. Yeah.
Okay. One last thing bafethu, nikhumbule we did 783 kilometers walk from Johannesburg, eThokoza, ePolar Park, eKuruleni to Elliot Eastern Cape, eKrizani district under a municipality yaseSakhe Sizwe. The first annual yethu besihamba ngeenyawo. Second annual, which is going to be Gay-1 zaka January ku 2027, sizobe sisebenzisa ibhayisekile bafethu. It's also a mean of transport. You are telling the same story, and at the same time we are hoping ukubangaba we are going to get support, because we also want to give back to the community yase Elliot ngokwakhela abantu bakhona i-computer library. So bafethu sisaplana this side. If ever there's anything eningasinceda ngayo, be it kukuspread the word or kukunikeza or draw your attention from our potential sponsors, sicela ningenelele guys. And fortunately at this time I see secret sithetha ngayo unyaka usaqala. So for whoever ote last time we knew nothing about the campaign yakho, awimarketanga in now this is the first word out nje about it that's going to be public. So from me, Jabulela, Tayam, Ngozi kakhulu man.
Bonga mina bro.
Taki.
Sharp.